Yeah? Let's give them another round of applause. Really incredible. Amazing educators. And that's what it's all about, just sharing knowledge, learning, connecting, and elevating. That's why we're all here this weekend. So before we break for lunch, we do have a special announcement. Oh, I need the clicker, please. This is something that is part of Nierman Practice Management. A lot of people have been asking, what is this announcement? And it's not a personal announcement about myself. A lot of people have been asking. Thank you. All right. But I'm not going to give you a clue. Instead, we're going to play a video for you. So here we go. It's today. All right. We're talking about DentalWriter Plus software. This is the new generation of DentalWriter. I know we have many DentalWriter clients today with us, and we are proud to announce our new web-based platform that just makes things even easier. You can access it from anywhere, and it's really just adding on the new technology for today. And I'm talking a little bit about it, but today is the official launch, so we are very excited. You can buy it right now, today. It's today. This has been in development for over 5 years, and we were going to release it several years ago, but we wanted to make sure that it had everything it needed in order to really make things even easier, as easy as possible. And as part of that, we have an extremely intuitive workflow. As you can see, it's accessible from a tablet. And just like DentalWriter, the 4-step process that we have, it's the same, except everything is just very guided. So for those of you who aren't familiar, DentalWriter software is the software that automates your SOAP reports and your workflow for dental sleep medicine and other procedures that you can bill to medical. And now with DentalWriter Plus, it has an extremely intuitive workflow. And the other aspect, I mean, it's the same DentalWriter, but just even more advanced and easy to use. We call it intelligently designed because it anticipates exactly what you're trying to do. You can follow along, and it's going to cross-code from dental to medical for you and generate all of your documentation and your SOAP notes that you need for medical reimbursement. So just like the main DentalWriter, DentalWriter Plus works the same way, except it's even more streamlined. And part of that is because of our seamless medical billing integration. Now, this is a real game changer for DentalWriter Plus because everything is just fully integrated with the system and our medical billing service and our medical billing concierges that we have. They can tap right into the DentalWriter Plus, and it's a seamless process to be able to get the data that they need. And as I mentioned, the intelligent design of the software, it knows exactly what you're billing for based off of the questionnaire in the exam, and it's building your case of medical necessity with the right codes, with the right documentation, with the right statements, with the right forms, everything you need all in one place, and then our medical billing team handles it right from there. Very seamless and easy. Next up, with DentalWriter Plus, we have even more powerful analytics. So we have metrics for medical insurance and physician referrals, things that you're not going to get on your regular dental softwares. We focus specifically on medical billing in dentistry and physician referral billing. That's one of the biggest tools that you can use to build your dental sleep practice is those physician relationships. And DentalWriter really helps to facilitate that with those SOAP reports that can be automatically addressed and sent right to the patient's other providers. And last but not least, we're bringing back, well, they never left, but our renowned training and support team. And it's even more integrated right inside of the platform itself. So there's our team over there, and you can see we do in-office training, remote training. We have our cross-coding medical billing courses, and it's really a great experience. We love what we do, working with our team members and the practices on not just the software and medical billing, but having an efficient protocol and workflow. And that's what our team is there for. And it's really great because this is where we started. Rose, come up here. Rose, come up. Rose, come up here. Come up here. Rose, come up here. Look at that computer on the bottom, right?
Hey, our first version was DOS, but I mean, I hate to age myself, but our first version was DOS, and I don't know if anyone, I think there are a couple people here who have that. It was a great program. I mean, you had your questionnaire, your exam, it did what it was supposed to, and, we just keep improving on it. So, makes it fun.
It absolutely does, and we do have a ton of fun. And that's why I love doing what I do, because I saw her building this company. We're the same age, the company and I. And so it's a...
Don't ask me which is my favorite baby, all right?
If you can't beat them, join them. That's my saying.
That's what you said, right?
So, but we love it. And seeing how hard she worked to build this company and to work with practices over the last 30 years has really driven me to continue on this legacy. And with DentalWriter Plus, it makes it even easier to help facilitate our mission of helping dental practices implement medical billing, sleep apnea treatment, and build their practice. So it's very exciting. And speaking of practice building, look at this on the right side. This was a brochure that Rose had in early 90s, maybe 1992. And she already had all these different software programs. And I just want to read this one statement here because, this is what we're talking about. The legacy and our mission has never changed after over 33 years. It's just the technology in our team and the services have changed. But the mission has always been the same. And look at this statement. The most effective marketing consists of your internal communications to professionals. Send a narrative report to each practitioner the patient is seeing and watch referrals flow in. She was talking about this 30 years ago and created DentalWriter in order to facilitate that. And that's why it's called DentalWriter, although it used to be called the Complete TMJ Manager Narrative Report Generator. We had to shorten it a little bit. So we went from, these computers to this. And it's all about making it easy. And I love this. This was from 2 weeks ago from the Dental Festival. And I look up to Rose so much, and it's why I do what I do. And to see what she's done over the last 30 years is really incredible and is what drives me and our entire company. But I still see her as mom as she fixes my hair all the time. But we love what we do, and we're so excited for the new program. So if you are interested in learning more, go to our booth. Megan and our team, Courtney, can tell you more about it, and it's ready to go. We are live with DentalWriter Plus. And last but not least, we want to acknowledge Don Muse, who was the original developer of DentalWriter. And he passed away about 2 months ago. And, just a true innovator himself and brilliant mind, and has been with us since the beginning. And
yeah, Don did the first version. He's our programmer, and he managed more developers and stayed with us all these years. So true part of our family and a friend. So I love how we did this. We had the staff come up with words to describe Don. So
yeah, And his legacy will be carried on with DentalWriter Plus as well. And we have a great development team that is excited and fired up for our future. And it's all about helping our practices help their patients. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
Let's take lunch. And let's get our lunch. We'll come back at 12 and we'll get started with the lunch and learn. Actually, let's just do about 15 minutes. We ended a little early, so we'll have 15 minutes. Get your lunch. We'll come back for our lunch and learn. And
You're a good son.
all right.